Understanding leaf drop. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the phrase, leaf drop. If you've ever wondered what this term means, especially in the context of plants and trees, you're in for a treat. Let's unfold the layers of this interesting English phrase. Leaf drop is a combination of two words, leaf and drop. Leaf. It's the green flat structure attached to the stem or branches of a plant. Drop. In this context, it means to fall or let fall. So, combining these words, leaf drop primarily refers to the phenomenon where leaves fall off a plant or tree. Leaf drop can occur for various reasons. Some of the primary reasons include 1. Seasonal changes. In certain regions, many trees shed their leaves, especially during autumn, preparing for the winter season. 2. Plant stress. This can be due to inadequate watering, either too much or too little. 3. Diseases or pests. Some diseases or pests can damage leaves, causing them to fall prematurely. 4. Natural growth. As plants grow, older leaves might drop to make way for new ones. Now that you know what leaf drop means, here are a few sentences to help you understand its usage. 1. Every autumn, we witness a beautiful leaf drop in our backyard. 2. If your indoor plant has a sudden leaf drop, it might be getting too much water. 3. The gardener was concerned about the premature leaf drop on the citrus trees. And there you have it. The term, leaf drop, relates to the phenomenon of leaves falling from a plant or tree. Whether it's a natural cycle or due to external factors, understanding this term will surely add a new leaf to your English vocabulary book. We hope this video shed light on leaf drop for you. Keep learning and stay curious.